Hello and welcome back to Video Code. So in this video, I want to show you how to animate the logo that we've just created. We use this as the start of all our training videos. You might use it for sales videos, demo videos, that kind of stuff. So let's go over the shoulder and I'm going to show you this in more detail. Okay, so let's have a look at animating this logo. So I've already had a quick look through some of the animated templates. And if we look for video templates and then logo stings, then we're going to get a selection of different logo stings. Now you want to obviously have it on Premiere Pro because we're not ready for using After Effects yet. That'll be much later in the course. Now I decided to go with this one. Now I've actually already downloaded it, so all you do is you just download and you'd add it to your particular project. So in this case you'd add it to Video Code and do it like that. Then we come into here and we want to find the template, so it's here. We can open any of the given ones, to be honest. We import the entire project. Okay, so the way they usually work, everyone is slightly different, but if we just go back to the tutorials for it, just so I can show you how you would usually follow along. So if we go, where was it? It was here, and there will be a help PDF in almost all of them, and it will tell you exactly how to edit each one. So in this one, to put your logo in sequence, go into the logo folder, put music in sequence, music, edit tagline, go into tagline, put other folder text, edit colors by set layers, colors of folder color. So I'll just show you how that works in practice. So you're going to edit, we're going to logo, and we open this up. And all we simply do, we go down, we double click, find our logo. We always do want the transparent logo. So we open that, we bring that in, and that's it. And just to get the actual sequence in itself, so we bring this in. So this is our final sequence. This is how it will all look. Now, we're just getting that's okay. We just get. So you can see that the logo is in there now. So we're getting a bit of an error on the text, on the text font, but that's no problem. You can either download the font that they recommend for that particular, or you can just go with any one that you like. And I'll show you that as we move through the video. So we want to bring in music. So let's, for example, say we want to bring in music. Now, if you're if you go into Envato Elements again, and you go here, you go music, you go logos and indents. And then you can choose a logo theme, like a logo music that matches the sort of type of length that you're going at. So we know with this one that we're around about 7 seconds long. Now I've already chosen one. Double click. And we want to go back to Video Code and go back into videos. And find where I put it, which was, I think, this one. No, it wasn't. It was this one, modern logo sting. So I chose that one. So we just double click that, bring it in. And then we want to bring that into there. And then we click C, we cut it off, we click V, and we delete. And that's it. So let's have a quick look at where we're at. Okay, now one of the things, because it's playing quite slow there, that's because my computer that I'm using for this, to make this course, I'm traveling, so my computer's not that fast. If we click this here and bring it down to quarter, that will quarter the sort of quality just for preview. So it'll play much smoother. The quality won't be there, but that's no problem. Okay, so then we want to change we've got the music, text. So we change the tagline. So we double click that. And we go, okay, it's not letting me. We go world class video easily. Let's change the font. So we highlight all that. And go up here, change the font to something we like. Let's have a look at one of the ones I usually use. You can use anything. You can play around with it. You can use any logo that you like. As you can see, there's absolutely tons and tons and tons to choose from. Let's go for, just to get this moving. I'm the same as anyone else. I'll go for this one. This is one that I use quite a lot, so we'll go for that. And then we close this, and let's play it again. Okay, so when we get to the end of that there, I feel it is on too long. So when we get to maybe here, we can think about starting to cut the whole thing. So we click C, cut, 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 cut everything. We cut that one there, then V. Highlight them all by just doing this, and then delete them all. So now we've made the logo reveal shorter. Okay, but still, if you see at the end, the logo fades out way before the text, the tagline does. So what we'll do is we'll go to video transitions, and we'll go to dissolve, and we'll go dip to black, and we'll put that in there. And that will then mean the text will start to dip out around about the same time, if you see. Now we want to dip the background out and everything else. So we do the same thing. Just take the dip to black, get it to the background grid, take the dip to black, get it to the background. Now let's watch that. Perfect. That's it. So that's all there is to this video. I mean, obviously every single animation will be slightly different. They all might have slightly different tutorials on how to actually use them, but the principle is always the same. You want to get it as short, as concise as possible. You want to make sure that you've got your logo there perfectly visible. You want to make sure that it looks good. You want to make sure that it's animated good. And you want to make sure that everything works the way it's supposed to work. So thanks a lot for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next.